So here's the deal with the workshop kits. We use quality wood. We sand all the corners so that the piece is smooth and fits together nicely. Painting particle board or unsanded wood from Home Depot can give you slivers, and it makes it more difficult to paint over. There's no slivers with our DIY kits, and it's nice painting on a smooth surface with smooth corners. We use tools to pre-drill the holes at an angle, so it makes it really easy to attach the piece of wood together, and you just insert the screw right into the hole. The holes are already lined up, so it makes it really easy to put the kits together. The new instruction cards walk you through step by step for putting all these kits together, and here's why the kits work so well for workshops. So when they arrive in your box, they're already wrapped and they look really nice, and so you can actually just put them right on the workshop station. If you have a workshop placemat, just go ahead and set them right on the workshop placemat, and when your attendees arrive, your workshop's going to be set up. It's going to be really exciting for them, and a level of curiosity as well as to what's in the kit. The process of building at the beginning of the class, it really adds a level of experience and extra value. So, don't put the kits together for them. You want them to put them together at the beginning of the class. It doesn't take long, but it adds that experience. Plus, when people bring them home and they'll, use it as a home decor piece, they want to be able to tell people that they built it from scratch, which means they put it together, they painted it, they stenciled it, or whatever the process was that you taught them. They'll really feel like they accomplished something. Anyways, that's how I felt when I did them. I put them together and I really felt like, hey, I did this, I accomplished it, even though most of the hard work was done already for me. Plus, in workshops, the possibilities for these are really endless. You can create themes around them. You can use stencils on them. You could use metallics on them. You could put glaze. There's so many cool products that you have that you could do in a workshop. So we're excited to launch the latest 4 styles of our DIY kits, and in which we hope that this is just the beginning of many more to come. Plus, even though some of these are, more pieces and more parts to them, we've kept the price the same on all of them so you can build it into your workshop cost.